William loves Hawks.
In terms of Carolyn coming, let me just make sure that they gave us the order for that. If not, I'll have to get one, okay?
Alright.
Because you guys are talking about Carolyn, the home health aide, right?
Yep.
There's Jay.
Yep. They listed Carolyn on the order. So for Carolyn, I'll put,
She called the other night and wanted to come. She didn't know I was in the hospital.
I don't think they put her on the email. Anyways, I will put her down, okay?
Alright,
I'll do once a week for 3 weeks. That's our frequency we do for Carolyn, okay?
good deal.
So let me just make a note on my phone so I can call the doctor. And it's Dr. Weber, right? That's still your doctor?
Yeah.
Now Dr. Weber's
For
office.
the time being, he is.
Yeah, is he on borrowed time with you?
Very borrowed time. We called him last Tuesday or whatever it was, whatever day it was, I went to the hospital
Okay.
at 8:30 in the morning. And just asked a question. Wanted to tell him what was going on.
Yeah.
To get advice on whether they needed to call, come see him or call him 911.
Yeah.
And they said, well, we'll pass the message on.
It's in the yard
Have him
somewhere.
call you back.
Yes.
Well, we're still waiting on